Hey guys, Brett here with Kingstree Plumbing. We're going to get into the video in just a second. Note, there's a number around this video. If you need us, please give us a call. We want to help. Any questions you have, we can get you answered. There's a bunch of these videos, so if your questions aren't answered here, you can look at some of those other videos. Give us a call. There'll be a link or a button around here to jump into a chat with us if that's what you'd like to do. We want to hear from you. We want your feedback. We want to solve the problems you have. You have a fantastic day, and the question we're going to be answering today is, what is a diagnostic fee and why does Kingstree Plumbing charge a diagnostic fee? The diagnostic fee covers some of the expense of a highly trained service expert coming out to the home, doing a thorough evaluation of the job and giving you all of your options, all of his recommendations, educating you about everything that's going on in your home. That costs money for us to be able to provide that service, and we have to charge something. In fact, it costs more than that for us to provide that service. We do that to cover some of the cost. For that diagnostic fee, we really thought, how can we bump up the value as much as possible for our diagnostic? We have a highly trained expert on site, so we do offer a free home inspection, very much like going to the mechanic. They look at the problem, they're going to do a full report and a checklist on everything. We do a similar sort of thing. We're in your home, we have a trained expert there. It doesn't cost us any more time really, it's another 20-30 minutes in the home, but it adds a ton of value. So that's one thing we do to try and bump up the value for that $129, but we do have to charge and cover some of the costs. These are highly trained guys we're sending out. We do have to pay them, and we pay our guys well. Ensuring quality service. The diagnostic fee also helps us identify clients that are looking for high quality service and they're looking for service from Kingstree Plumbing. We could drive around all day like headless chickens doing free quotes everywhere. That's not how we choose to spend our time, and that's not how we want to run our business. You know, everyone else has to pay for the time that you're running around doing free quotes. Someone has to pay for that. Either you take that cost on yourself or you spread out over your available hours and your customers pay for that. We didn't want to do that, so we chose to go for quality instead of quantity, and we found that it's been hugely beneficial. We did no diagnostic, no call out, no quote fee before. We did that for years, and we've seen a clear shift in the how we're doing things since we changed that. Transparent pricing. As part of our commitment to do transparent pricing and be upfront, this is just one of those charges that we have to charge. You know, some companies can hide it in other costs. We choose to just be upfront. This is how much it costs, and if you're happy to pay that, we are very happy to come out and give you the best service we can. And for those people that don't want to pay the service fee, there's other companies that don't charge a service fee. So, you know, there's someone for everyone. We're just a company that chooses to be completely upfront with all of our pricing. We give pricing before we do anything. We give pricing before we come out. That's just how we want to be seen. That's how we want to do business. And then lastly, I just want to make a real big point of the home inspection. You know, the home inspection alone is a service we charge. Realtors will pay us to go out and do home inspections for buyers. You know, we charge a few $100s to do that. That's something we do give as a bonus on all of our calls, all of our service calls, all of our diagnostic calls. We are out there. We're not having to make that extra trip out to go and do that job. We do offer it on all of our calls. So that's a huge amount of value. That far exceeds the $129 cost. Having a plumber go around, explain the whole system, look at everything. We catch tiny drips that could turn into, you know, big disasters. We collect all your model and serial numbers of your equipment, your furnace, your hot water tank, so we know your home. That means that when you have an emergency, Christmas morning, your furnace goes down, you're panicking, you call us, we know exactly what you have in your home. You're not scrambling around trying to tell us what model it is and sending pictures and all that stuff. We already have that stuff. So huge value. We recommend ways you can be more efficient, ways you can save money doing that. We let you know the things you can do yourself to save the time and money. This is a highly valuable part of the diagnostic fee. So make sure you leverage that, guys. If you're not interested, the guys will ask you if you want the home inspection, and you can refuse it. It's not something is mandatory. It's just something that everyone should, you know, you take your car in for a service, for a check over every once in a while. Same thing with the home and anything you own really, you know, you should be checking up on it. So being proactive is way better than being reactive, and usually a lot cheaper in the long run. At Kingstree Plumbing, we believe going above and beyond for all of our customers. The diagnostic fee reflects that level of service that we're committed to, and you know, we're not just going to be in out as quick as we can. We're not those sorts of plumbers. We want to learn about your home. We want to be able to be prepared for any emergency. We want you to know, how long is it going to be till my hot water tank needs to be replaced? How long is it? I know there's a tough things to deal with, but it helps when you know, okay, I've got 5 years here, I've got 7 years here, you know, that's going to cost 5,000. You can budget for stuff and it's not such a fright. You know, I think it's like 45% of North Americans can't afford a $400 emergency. So knowing these things helps in the long run. You know, that's something we want to deliver. We want our customers to get real peace of mind. That's our goal. That's something we really strive for, our customers, complete peace of mind. That's one of our main goals. If you have any further questions about our diagnostic fee or any comments, any suggestions, any feedback, please let us know. There's a number around the video. Give us a call. I think I've gone over everything pretty clear there. I hope you have an amazing day, and we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye now.